Once again, it's me again. We will go to work. Now from home, we will go to work. And my favorite rest place here in Lusail, near Lusail Stadium, Bridge of Lusail. And then there is the bus station going to Alco, then Lusail Metro Station. Okay. Same yesterday, together with our gravel bike, the big bike with a reflector for our safety, and we have